So the leg aligner, our advice is that the ventilation holes should be at the heel end, okay? Simply because if there is any fluid from any source or origin, from this end particularly, it's not going to affect the leg aligner. So the leg aligner, we've been through the resetting process, which we'll go through on another video. So we've got the wraps. The idea with the wraps is what we want to do is do a little roll like that. You've established the shape, and this is the preparation before the client actually gets into bed or is hoisted into position on the bed. So ideally, so the white face of the fabric faces down, so the black side is up, and the idea is that this simply drapes over and we feed the wraps through this, effectively what looks like a letterbox, through there. And then you basically do what I call a little bit of feng shui. So you arrange the liner in such a way as you've got as few creases as possible. This may be the wrong size, it doesn't matter if you fold it back over, it's absolutely fine. What you then do is hoist or position the client into the leg aligner. So right leg, left leg, always have to check, port and starboard. And then what we do is we can undo the wrap so that the wrap will go into its normal position with the thermal regulation liner in position. You wouldn't bend over like this. I'm sure the moving and handling people would have a field day, but you would access it from the other side. But for our purposes, what you've ended up with is you've got a liner so that each leg is laying in each trough with the thermal regulation liner. So just to clarify one important point, this is what we call a phase change material. So there are two elements to the liner, to the mantle should I say. The white material, which you'll see this sort of hexagonal pattern on it, that is the phase change material. That's the science bit, that's the magic bit, that's actually the work, that's doing the work. The idea is basically the technology that's in that mantle, what it does is it draws in temperature, stores it, and as you cool, it knows that you're cooling and it will restore it. So some systems work on the basis of what they call a cooling mantle. This isn't a cooling mantle, it's a thermal regulation because it does both, it gives and takes, okay? And then on top of that, we've got what we call a host material, which is good old-fashioned terry toweling. Its real purpose, well, is two purposes. One is to absorb any excess moisture, i.e. perspiration or inspiration. And the other is to act as a host for the PCM. The reason it has to have a host is because the PCM, in a bold way, actually works too well. So if we just put somebody straight onto that phase change material, it would feel very cold very, very quickly. So it would come as a little bit of a shock to the system. So this actually dulls the effect and makes it slightly more pleasant. And that's effectively what it does. So that's how we would apply the mantle to a leg aligner. Hope that helps.